Do you want to improve your credit score? Today, I will be giving you the top 10 tips on how you can improve your credit score to qualify for a better mortgage interest rate. So let's get into it. Knock knock Yitzhak here, realtor and success coach, helping you get from where you are to where you want to be. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, then subscribe below and tap that bell icon for notifications so you can be the first to learn all about the latest and greatest information in real estate. I get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking to make a move, and I love helping. Whether you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make your next move a smooth process. So improving your credit score can help you qualify for a better interest rate and save you money over the life of your mortgage. Here are 10 tips to help you improve your credit score. Number 1, pay your bills on time. Late payments can significantly lower your credit score, so set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. Number 2, reduce credit card balances. High credit card balances can negatively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your balances below 30% of your credit limit. Number 3, don't close old credit card accounts. Length of history is an important factor in your credit score. Keeping old credit card accounts open can help improve your score. Number 4, avoid applying for new credit. Applying for new credit can temporarily lower your credit score. Limit new credit applications while you're trying to improve your score. Number 5, check your credit report regularly. Errors on your credit report can negatively impact your credit score. Check your report at least once a year and dispute any errors you find. Number 6, diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of credits such as credit cards, auto loans, and a mortgage can help you improve your credit score. This shows lenders that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. Number 7, keep old credit accounts open and use them occasionally. As I mentioned earlier, length of credit history is an important factor in your credit score. If you don't use a credit account, the creditor might close the account and it can hurt your length of credit history. Number 8, if you absolutely must close a credit account, choose carefully. A good reason would be if the annual fees are just too high. Then it might be a good option to close it. Just be aware that closing accounts can lower your overall available credit and potentially hurt your credit score. Number 9, monitor your credit utilization rate. Your credit utilization rate is the amount of credit you're using compared to your overall credit limit. Aim to keep your utilization rate below 30% to help improve your score. And number 10, consider a credit builder loan. If you're struggling to improve your credit score, a credit builder loan may be an option. These are loans designed to help you build credit by making small payments over time. Improving your credit score takes time, but it's worth the effort to qualify for a better mortgage interest rate and save you money over the life of your mortgage. I hope this information was helpful, and remember, whether you're thinking about moving in 9 or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call.